Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm going to talk to you about Hydrate Masque. Hydrate Masque is a deep conditioning and smoothing mask for normal to thick, dry, damaged or colour treated hair. It contains evening primrose oil, high in essential fatty acids for strength and hydration. It contains seaweed extracts that strengthen the hair because of the high level of proteins. Micro capsules explode on contact, energising the vitamins, adding strength, vitality and shine. Rosehip oil penetrates the hair, moisturising and reducing dryness. Okay, so you want to leave that for about 10 minutes and then rinse. So here's your result for the Hydrate Masque. Deep conditioning and smoothing for normal to thick, dry, damaged, colour treated hair.